Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to combine multiple JPEGs into one PDF on Windows. Step 1. Put all images in the same folder and order them the way you want them to appear in the PDF. To do this, you rename the files in the alphanumeric order. Step 2. Highlight your image by clicking and dragging or hold down the Control key and select the images one by one. Step 3. Right click on any highlighted image and select Print. Step 4. Under Printer, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Step 5. Adjust the image quality and choose from the layout options on the right side. Select options if you want to sharpen the image. If your images appear cut off in the preview, uncheck the Fit Picture to Frame box. Step 6. Select Print, then enter a name for the PDF and choose where you want to save it. Select Save to finish. You now have a PDF file containing all your images you can print or attach to an email. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.